हैव ए नाइस डे टू ऑल ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स। डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम लोग हनी ड्यू क्लास 8 बिहार बोर्ड लेसन 4 बिपिन चौधरी लैप्स ऑफ मेमोरी के अंग्रेजी के शब्दों का उच्चारण हिंदी में करेंगे, जिसके अंतर्गत आज हम लोग पेज नंबर 62 का रीडिंग करेंगे। इस पेज के अंतर्गत जितने भी अंग्रेजी के शब्द हैं पेज नंबर 62 के अंतर्गत, उन सबों का हम हिंदी उच्चारण में अंग्रेजी के शब्द को पढ़ेंगे, जिससे आप आसानी से अंग्रेजी पढ़ना सीख सकते हैं। पेज नंबर 62 आपका ये है। टायरलेस conscientious worker, but today his head was in a whirl back home at 2:30. Bipin Babu lay down in bed and tried to gather his wits. Together he knew that it was possible to lose one's memory through an injury in the head, but he didn't know of a single instance of someone remembering everything except one particular incident, and a fairly recent and significant one at that. He had always wanted to go to Ranchi to have gone there, done things, and know to remember was something utterly impossible. At 7:30, Bipin Babu's servant came and announced, "Chuni Babu, sir says it's very important." Bipin Babu knew what Chuni had come for. Chunilal had been at a school with him. He'd been having a rough time lately and had been coming to see him about a job. Bipin Babu knew it was not possible to do anything for him, and in fact told him so, but Chuni kept turning up like a bad penny. Bipin Babu sent word that not only was it not possible for him to see Chuni now, but not in several weeks. But as soon as the servant stepped out of the room, it struck Bipin Babu that Chuni might remember something about the 58 trip. There was no harm in asking him. Bipin Babu hurried down the stairs and into the living room. Chuni was about to leave, but seeing Bipin Babu appear, he turned round. Hopefully, Bipin Babu didn't beat about the bush. Listen, Chuni, I want to ask you something. You have a good memory, and you've been seeing me off and on for a long time. Just throw your mind back and tell me, did I go to Ranchi in 58? Chuni said 58. It must have been 58, or was it 59? इसी के साथ पेज नंबर 62 का रीडिंग समाप्त हुआ। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें और दूसरे अन्य विद्यार्थी को भी इस चैनल के बारे में बताएं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।